Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. This is the iPhone 13, a real working unit, and this is a dummy unit for the iPhone 14. So the dimensions on here are pretty much the same, it looks like, but I do have cases here from iBlason, and right off the rip, folks, I gotta try on this clear one. This clear one is crazy. I want to see if the dimensions are the same for actual footage, actual size. I'm sorry. This clear case from iBlason. I have this for the Ultra as well. This has got to be one of the most boss. This is just crazy. I love the clear. So let's get it off. They have the nice pull tabs, and it comes out. This is for the iPhone 14, the smaller variant. So I want to try on immediately and see if it can fit a real. Let me show you here. This is a real working iPhone 13. As you can see there, it's powering on, and this is my dummy unit 14. So this is going to be interesting because I really like this clear. Yeah, looks like it does fit. So the only difference is going to probably be with the 14 Pro models and you got the Plus models. So if you have an iPhone 14 in mind, I'm gonna tell you this is probably gonna be your best looking color right here, because all of the devices come in different colors. So this clear one here for the iPhone 14 is absolutely fantastic. This is such a sweet little setup right here. Reset and ready to go back to Apple. So you've got the holster here, and obviously you can see you got the blue and the black. This is the Airy series, which is basically a more lightweight version with some soft touch mat around the sides, and it's not it doesn't have the hard plastic or a kickstand, but you know being able to use some of these same beautiful cases with the current models, for those, some of you people might not be upgrading, and you can still get all these great cases for your current iPhones. This is crazy. And this is the iPhone 14. Again, this is my dummy unit. Let's get this out of here. Pull a tab right there. Pop the dummy unit in. Just want to show you the Airy series, what it looks like. This is what the Airy series looks like. Really nice. But obviously, I think, like I said, my favorite is this clear case right here. This is so crazy. And it has the kickstand just like the bigger iPhone 14 Plus models that have these same cases that you see me do a video on. So just wanted to show you these. This is such a nice setup. Very nice drop protection on these cases right here. And if you have the 6.1-inch version of the iPhone 14 or 13, this is a good size. They also make this for the Plus as well, because it's a 6.1-inch display. But if you have the iPhone 14 in mind, you can go ahead and start ordering all your accessories and things for it, and I think you'll be pretty happy with what you see here. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.